Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to register and participate in the Crosswave 2.0 campaigns. As you must have heard, Crosswave 2.0 is live today, being the 1st of February 2026. And yes, we are kickstarting with 7 new campaigns. So how do you start for every new streamer? I'm inviting everyone. We can take part in this campaign with just your mobile phone. So if you are using your mobile phone, please go to your Play Store for Android users and App Store for iPhone users. So I'll be going to my Play Store right now. And the first app that I'll need to install will be my CrossX wallet. That is for new users. CrossX wallet. You see, I already have it installed. So I'll just click it open. You see the install button here. So just go ahead and click on it and install. I already have the app, that's why it is showing open. So the next step would be opening the application. See, I already have an account here. But for those who do not have an account, you would want to create one. If I want to create an additional account, this is what I would do. I'll click here on account and click on this plus button here, plus. And here I can either add a new account or I import an old account. That is if I have an old account that I want to import to this wallet. So in your own case as a new user, you just want to create an account. And what does it involve? So we just click here, enter your authentication. It loads up and we have our new account. So for the sake of this video, we will be using account 1. So you switch back to the first account. That is the first thing you do. So when you have your CrossX wallet ready, the next thing you would want to do is to go to your browser. My favorite browser is Chrome browser. It is very easy to use and very seamless. You could also use that on your iPhone, or you could choose to use your Safari. It does not really matter. Just use the application that works best for you. So the next thing we'll be doing now would be going to our browser. Work with me. So here we are in our Chrome browser. You see this is the landing page. So you would want to enter the So here we are in our Chrome browser. So the website we are going to enter here is wave.crosstoken. You see, it is already suggested here. So you click on it, wave.crosstoken.io. So you click it open, click on it. Wait for it to load up. So at this point, the next thing to do is to click on login. You get this suggested, recommended, actually recommended, your CrossX. This is the CrossX wallet that you just downloaded and set up. So you click on it and allow it to load up like this. Wait, be patient, depending on the ability of your device. This might take a little bit of time. So you click on connect and wait. Allow it to load up. Then click on continue. Still wait. Click on confirm. Enter your fingerprint and wait. So you see, access granted. That is all you need to become a creator on Crosswave 2.0. That is the first step you need to take. I'm going to make a video on the second step, and I'm sure you guys are eager to learn the next step. The next step is going to involve how you can link your YouTube account, which is very mandatory, since all the campaigns you are going to be registering them on your YouTube platform. So the second video is going to contain how to link your YouTube account to the Crosswave 2.0 platform and how to join campaigns. You can see that these campaigns are already live. You see the number of campaigns that are live and the token rewards. So I'll be making a video on how you can connect your YouTube and join any of these campaigns. See you guys.